Hi there everyone, my name's Todd, I'm from Talking Trader, and today we're going to be taking a look at the dynamic RSI and the RSI indicator itself. So, the reason why I prefer the dynamic RSI is because I've found it's easier for me to look at these green and red lines that follow the white RSI. Now, the reason why they change is because sometimes a stock isn't always going to be, it's going to appear oversold, but these lines here move. So as you can see here, PPK has closed its range up a bit, and it's sitting, down the bottom here next to the green. And the green means, it's at a low point, so we're not going to be buying the top. And the reason how you can tell if you're buying the top or not, or if it's, at a very top point, is if the white line goes past the red. So, white line goes past the red, bad, obviously. Green line goes, or white line goes below the green, it's potentially oversold. Now, that doesn't mean to straight buy in. What you want to do is you want to wait for the RSI to tick up a bit again. And the way to do that is to scan for, RSIs above, say, 50. Anything over 70 usually is where it's overbought, and vice versa. But if we're looking at PPK here, we can see the RSI is just shy of 40, which, to me, another increase, a green day is a very good chance that we could see the start of the reversal back up, or at least an increase rather than a decrease in the share price. Now again, everything said in these videos is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. This is how I would use the RSI. Now let's have a look at the market as a whole. So this is the ASX 200. Now we don't have volume data, but we do still have the RSI. Now, as we can see here, on the 10th of July, we were that high, and the RSI was very high for that rally, and we see it went just above the red here, which, to me indicated that it needed to cool off. It needed to drop down a little, consolidate a little bit, which I think is what it's done here. And who knows, perhaps next week we may see that go back up again and make a breakout. Or we may see the other way, dropping down, but who knows at this point in time. Let's have another look at PAR. PAR again, when it's gone above the red here, it's usually followed by a drop down. It needs to come down a little bit. The people who bought on this rally and who got the nice green candles need to sell, and for it to move, to keep on continuing up again. And so that is the dynamic RSI, and that dynamic RSI is, I believe, this one here by Dreadblitz. And that is what I use for my RSI. There are multiple other RSI indicators, but it stands for the Relative Strength Index, and it measures how strong or how weak a stock's trend is. And that is how to use it in your trading. Look for it to start ticking up when it's closer to the green. Perhaps think about maybe selling or shorting when it touches the red. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.